Atukwasa Rita Atukwasa Omuto Nomukuru mukazi abwambara ahabwo buhereza Okushemeza abantu busha yabashemereza busha imibazi ne yabusha ahabwo kuba nyewe nko mujecaro wanyu kwatanise n'abakugo mu Uganda bakushemeza na n'ekitongore cy'abyamagara obuherezo obu bwizireho kandi buriya aha Mbarara Municipal Council ahirwaro amwe na Mbarara Rufaro ebi bari kushemeza biri mu nkebi ebizimba okwigara mbashija okutonya mbakazi za haniya omugo obundi kansa y'amabere omugongo omubone ebintu byingi nkebyo omubana omubakazi omubashija munye ninkushaba wabo mpurikize erizoba sande birabiri na bibiro kwa mwenda urwo kubanza ibirabiri na bishatu kwa mwenda urwa kashatu birabiri na bina kwa mwenda obi washira habo kushemezibwa inko mushije kutere kikatu ningo kumara kajuma nibenda bakushujume bakuto mu byoma bakuyeho shagama baza kwika kumanya ngo ubuzima no shemezibwa kibe nko kukiri nicyo kiri kuza kutambera nisima abashaho abahireyo obukugu bwabo n'ekitongore ece byamagara na president witu wihanga Museveni okutema bazi yabusha okutamo muhigo abo kuba hateki nicyongera mamani amarwaro buje mugajanjaba konka hati twizire kubimusya ngo mufahamu biri yanyu mureko kujoko mukajunda mukando mu marwaro ga government hari mu buhereza obuhereza utwareta kugira ngo tubutura mu buturamu konka nkamico y'abantu nitubamanya umwe no gumore ai utari kwenda kwija mwe hatwija kutama mani tujya kongera urufungo ngo base kwija bakore bakushemeze kandi buzima amagara gawe gagaruka mu buteka nini nimbeta nyaburawe abagurusi abakikuru hariho no kugaba amaguru agebe ya plastic kuba oguru kwawe ino kwarujeho bo mburwiro ba mu accident ni mu mwije nibaza kubapima okuguru bakore okwawe kurukikaho kandi okubasa okuyamba okutamba byene nibyebyo nimbende zo bugwaje kandi tubaryaha tubarinzire bini yabashaho izire nyekiro orwa mukago mukiro baceraha twinabashaho 20 abakugu aha municipal twinabashaho ka 30 harfaro okubasa kubayamba okukora habintu nkebe. Yeah, usually it is a good thing to have medical camps. Like you hear, it's a camp, and I would relate it like a campaign. It's an opportunity to awaken the population of some of the health issues they have forgotten. And this time around in Ankole and in Mbarara City in particular, with partnership with the Association of Surgeons Uganda, and in partnership with the Ministry of Health and its agencies and the other partners like pharmaceutical companies, we are here in Mbarara City to be able to reach out to the people. And the treatment point is here at Mbarara City Council Health Center 4 and our Mbarara Referral Hospital. In other districts, they also have their points of service. What is this about? It is about a free surgical camp, a free opportunity to operate Ugandans or people from Mbarara City who have had these conditions and have not been able to either access the specialized surgical procedures, or they were still gathering resources to be able to access the service. So here we received a team of medical experts, about like 30 to the referral, 20 here at the health facility. So a team of 50 people to be able to work on these cases. Some of the cases will be worked on here at Health Center 4, while others will be going to the referral. So this morning, we started with a debrief exercise and then looking at the map of the hospital, since the doctors that have come and the specialists are from different parts of the country. So which we have finished, and now the robust assessment of the people who have turned up is going on. In the first place, about 200 people had already registered to get surgeries. So they are going to screen them and then straight we start off. So I encourage all the people of Mbarara city, if you have a condition that needs operation or theater or surgery, please come, and come as early as possible. By Monday, by Tuesday, make sure you're here, because a surgical operation is not like treatment for malaria. Treatment for malaria, they take a blood slide, in 10 minutes it's out, you are given tablets and you walk away. No. To be able to take you to surgery, you need investigation. Some you need blood samples, others you need the CT scans or X-ray. So you need to give it a day or two for those investigations to be complete. That's why I urge you, please do not come on the last day. Don't show up on Friday, 27th. No, please come 22nd, 23rd, 24th. You should have been here, and the doctors have looked at you critically so that they schedule you for an operation. And people are asking, the medicine is free, the surgical is free, because the Ministry of Health has given us medicines, pharmaceutical companies have given us medicines, and the doctors have offered their skills for free, and we thank them. So my work basically is to mobilize you, is to support the logistics for the team, give them where to sleep, give them what to eat, mobilize you to come and get this life-changing treatment. For instance, there is somebody that came for assessment and was supposed to need a hip replacement. You know it for sure that a hip replacement, some of them need like metals which they assert in the body. That's usually in normal hospitals. You are requested to add something. It becomes a cost sharing effect, and sometimes you find you need like a very complex heart surgery, which the hospital cannot entirely do on its own because of costs. So sometimes even in Mulago, even in the referral, they may ask you to contribute something to ease the process. But entirely, the government puts a lot of things. But there are also many surgeries they do free of charge, but there are complicated surgeries that take 10 hours plus, 8 hours plus. Those ones, they usually come in. But also when they realize that they are of that complex nature, that's why sometimes you see us coming up, being able to make contributions, different agencies coming in. But I think on a scale of 100, government facilities have it at about 85 or 90% of what you need. And I think the Ankole region is going to testify. Most of you say there are no theaters, there are no doctors, and they came here and assessed these health centers, and they found them very well equipped to be able to run most of these surgeries we are talking about.